What's up, guys? It's your boys, and today we're gonna be reacting to name sound-alikes.
Yeah, we are. Absolutely humongous breakfast ration.
I know Among Us is dead, but still. What's this one?
Can your waist, dude? It's so funny. Bicycle. Let's go. Green pig chilling. Mink it. Yeah, oh my god. Chris Pratt!
What?
Oh my god. Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast!
Oh.
Harry O'Brien overdose. Harry McGuire. Quack.
Oh.
Wait, they just roasted Dream the fucking Hudson. Iceberg. Iceberg. Water. Oh my god.
I don't get that.
Wait, just a minute. This might. Let me take a picture of that. It's so funny. Holy crap.
We'll be right back.
Okay, all good.
Okay.
Night spaghetti. The bronze ray. The bronze age. The broad play. Martial art. Alright, dude, that's so funny.
Oh crap! No.
What is
Oh.
That's not that good. So good ham. Oh my god. Five nights. 5 nights already.
Mom, can I have some?
Lizzie too. Oh, Lizzie too. Okay, yeah. The prom back. I don't get it.
Me neither. I am uncultured, I know.
Burp.
Peter.
Air quotes. Oh my god, that's so good. Lord Farquaad. How do you, what is it? Emily Human?
I don't know.
Emily Human. Oh, I'm only human. Oh, I get it. That's funny. I don't know why it took me that long. I'm only human after all. I'm only human. Bendy light. Rigor mortis. Sky PewDiePie. Toad. Ghost Ray. Oh my gosh, it's like green. See? What's Seinfeld?
I don't know.
I didn't ask what's Seinfeld. I said that's Seinfeld. Homer Simpson. Oh! Brain grieving. Baking. Walter Merry. Oh my god. That's so funny. See. He is a certain. Among Us. Yoo! Yeah, baby. That's what I'm wait for. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah, who else left that?
Okay, we're gonna leave this here for now.
Did it
And yeah. Peace out, guys.
say-